birthday to my YouTube friend, Twin Bisong Red. Happy 45 years old. 45 na ba, be? O sige, 18 years old. Happy birthday, be. Dito na tayo tumanda sa YouTube. I wish ko lang sa birthday mo. Sana makapag-asawa ka na, be. Continue, ano lang, be. Continue do your YouTube channel. Ayun, enjoy lang tayo, be, no? Basta, sa birthday mo, sana good health ka at happy life always. God bless you always, be. Thank you for being my friend in YouTube since, ilang taon na ba? 5 years? Grabe. Sobrang tagal na, be. Ang importante until now, healthy at buhay pa rin tayo, di ba? So, God bless you. Enjoy your birthday, be. Thank you so much for being supportive to my channel also. God bless. Mwah!
Ayun na nga, may isa tayong babatiin ngayon na tigang na siya talaga. Happy birthday, bisong. Sana magpalahi ka na kasi may edad ka na talaga. And happy birthday, good health, and thank you so much sa support sa aking channel. And thank you, God bless always, bisong. Thank you, happy birthday.
Hello everyone! I just want to wish my sister, my very kind sister, beautiful and sexy sister, a happy birthday, sister. Hope you had a lovely time, and I wish that you have a good health, long life, and love life. I love you, sis. Happy birthday!
Hi, B! Magandang araw sa'yo. Happy birthday! My wish is enjoy your day. Many more years to celebrate. Many more candles to blow. Good health and good life. At sana makahanap ka ng iyong forever love. That's all. And thank you for being a good friend. Since that day, we start in YT. I really treasure our friendship. Thank you for being a good friend. I love you so much. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, B! Happy birthday!
Hi, B! May time na ako para bumati sa'yo. Pasensya ka na kasi busy version tayo for today's vlog. So, babatiin lang natin ng happy birthday, B! I know I'm always like, I think 5 years or 4 years na ako bumabati sa'yo ng happy birthday. And I'm so proud of you kasi yan, wala ka na dun sa dati mong work, na dito ka na sa Pinas. Ayan. Alam kong masipag kang tao at alam kong makakaya mo yung lahat. Ang drama, diba? Happy birthday, Bisong! Ayan. Wish ko sa'yo good health, of course. And I don't think a love life. Kasi tingin ko, ayaw mo na ng love life. So, good health and career na lang. So, you can survive the world. Happy birthday, B! Sorry talaga kasi ang dami ko talagang work. And I forgot nung nag-vacation ako. Alam mo naman, marami tayong inaasikaso. Buhay. Hindi nga tayo nakapag-live. So, wish you luck and success. Happy birthday, B! Bye-bye! Alam mo yan. Bye!
Hi, Twin Bisong. Guwapa, happy birthday. So, birthday ni mo karon. Happy birthday. Unta hinaot pa na wish na ko nimo nga magmalipayon ni mo ang birthday. Ug daghan pag birthday nga maabot nimo. Kay para more agogo to make. Bitaw oy. Ako lang wish nimo na mayong lawas per me. O be happy, always happy. Ug mag-amping ka permi ko pa Twin B song. Narakadira narakadiri your friend. Thank you sa tanan. Thank you sa pagkamayo na amiga, na friend ka na po. Mag-ingat ka palagi and happy birthday. I love you.
Bass, drop the bass, drop